All right, yama Olivia Kwaba and I pay every annual and from say Obe Network as usual. Misoba. Don't forget say Obe subscribe and fe also what my share. Na ode ammonia na fonia. It's me I share Jumeli. Tell us the exclusive for Yabo Bono aye Ghana class especially. Kabe fene say aye Asante Kotoko. Yede awonsam enso etimana fene nyina no. Yetimi ehema bibia enso etime ekoso. Yetena say ensam no aye pa na yetimi asori so. But first of all, Asante Kotoko NCC no led by your friend say Chairman Solo and Chairman Solo na famu die bia say obe make sure say Asante Kotoko supporters no enije be de enso ebetima ba na fe yetima say next season be rami ebetimi aboa na fe club e friend say Asante Kotoko etimi afa ne ntuma pa de enso etime fra because it got a point enye agitum say na stadium ba no aye bibi ho enti say players so esi akan na supporters any stadium enye be jatu say in fact e ha adwene pa and empempi no etimi motivate players no because of supporters duduwa e was stadium and one effect ba kwa Asante Kotoko FCC ya pa wa bra season ebe na we ye he say players in performance na from tina supporters in Emma Stadium and teacher on so guso a okwa probo na fe wetima he na fe one ni mpanfo ahia na amo be so modi ye betue na ya pekwan ya supporters Emma Stadium bet brofo baby ba ko a Asante Kotoko ekwa na hoja no eso ye pa I mean especially clubs awonum ekwan operations efa so a etofo me nyina no you could call say open aye the regions na ultimi enkana fe unyi aye brafo and as a western region there is enso enfim but the ban say Chairman Fuzi attended a resignation letter say was step down kakra due to enema ba ku beru yen sabe onan kasa de afoforo no but yebesere say ayasem bi ena wonu ma empemfo mo munya de enye hantempa so na fe omuntimi de ensolve minka say BBC but maybe what I say let the bontin say ana me pressure ana say bibia de edos wo so do me pese me focus wo baako enti esa Emma Kotoko djuma no on dabi maybe bibi so what I say bibi so ti se empemfo mo nya apresiko no mo penyet makasa ebeboa was one of finest person about operations to support Asante Kotoko all that important one na when the juma de we ni we be say be da so le tetebo bonten de me tutuma so what I say atutuma so chichama so leti minka na on try the best na ultimate service situation of entimi moa ema bibia yede enso entimi nkoso a yede wonsam no edi etudwa enso ehonum my first story detini we see ameno ka say Asante Kotoko transfers anweshi and my culture from day one say Asante Kotoko ayi obi a we recruitment no etwen say Asante Kotoko new coach ede enso ebetima ba ameden san komole de edi ato onum dada. Now I can confirm you to say see no abranti efe say sedu sana no no come no aye because e na start omo pre-season as say omo kumase a they ma picking say omo adjuso baby ana se say me ka say na start omo pre-season omo ehia omo eye no yina hu video a e na stars e pop it out e dey ba bonten led by coach efe no say Samuel Bodu. But the biggest question and say why is our bunch of fences say do sana any part of Asante again stars pre-season air course no Elkoba ka medini asatira me no ka say again stars am confirm the one me say omo pese ko e dey kwa bunch of fences say do kana say do sana the camp so I return Emra now the only again stars from paying for Emra Mesia na fe enkomo bi obia no omotime de enso entimi bi but asat now no the more picking say Sedusana phone come on so edi acham say the contract here see no Ediana stars for a person omo de ema onu Sedusana no omo willing to accept that contract. 2, there's an officer ababa told them a branch of Sedusana maka won somebody atro Annor from Israel says see no I offer aba emu odupa. The camp of Sedusana they are too many say possibility say a branch of Sedusana any permission character so I sign a contract at a massa Ediana stars no from no I am 99.999% says Sedusana sign a contract on FM club and Ediana stars. But the camp of Sedusana there almost say young fan to just say we are willing to play for Asante Kotoko if say down in foreign office na war no entimi an go through only club wa kope ana Sedusana ana fe the camp of Sedusana e dia to omo less so say opesa boy ekosi kan which is club ya Kumasi Asante Kotoko, which is club ya Kumasi Asante Kotoko tumuno na dame picking say for the first time Asante Kotoko for ekwa mu ekwa the empires for branch of Sedusana no asat now no I take it bear 1 month Asante Kotoko from paying for enko hubio for a branch of Sedusana. That is information ekutami anopaya me de ema se Kotoko last time ko won mo Sedusana ekodi nkomo no e go to bet 1 month ni eya de pay for sa place ko ere e ko bio no mo de still amu de atudwa se Sedusana entu kwan a baby amu pese o ma brantin esina kan club a ye fe ne se Asante Kotoko ti se sia de abegina Asante Kotoko nan so eno so be ka se bob air willing se sika bia se the scout no mo ya adwuma no ekọ play bia ho a omo bo bia omo ya willing to do business. Enti Sedusana latest updates and another pay ye de abatowa ye de eno so de e de emamo enso ewo ho abante fa ne se Soromo Agbasi maka Agbasi nkomo e de a kire mo se we one of the goalkeepers Sesia Melokas why hot cake and ye nyina be gia tum se sanka Zito ene keda so Asante Kotoko o to so da club na wa wutie mi wa wo hwe mi e bia ka for now ka branch fe Soromo Agbasi e goalkeeper e ma club a ye fe ne sa Asante Kotoko obedia tum the interest a coach fe ne se Karim Zito e show ye gidia Zito enya ye our branch fe ne se ye Soromo Agbasi mu no ni nya be cha dum se Zito ka otana e bia for now ka Agbasi e goalkeeper e ma Asante Kotoko ene me no ka se one has nkomo no enduru babia one has nkomo no enduru babia but the man picking is sisi no obosi Asante God 04 asanso abawrem a sacha mo eye enquiries around abante fene se Soromo Agbasi as God a person o use the figure of ore fene se Karim Zito to convince that guy say obama John o na fe omno na re enso tima to so the fifth season him and this Asante Kotoko from paying for NTA so mo ya willing to work with abante fene se Soromo Agbasi se has for are willing to work with abante fene se Soromo Agbasi a na omonte ya confirm me confirm the mama say obosi Asante God 04 use coach fene se Karim Zito figure no somebody abante there ebeba na fe wababere ababesi akan edema aye obosi Asante God 04. So this is the latest update ekutamia me dey won some dey e di emam enso e won komunim maduram e wo abante fe ne se agete so wa na vision FC ana boy esi na kan and my culture says see no vision komo no ai bibi e wo kakra na house of folk ana sesia me no kasai omo show interest no more sɛ ɔmo ne abranteɛ fɛ ne sɛ ageta so wa a ɔyɛ me folder enso bɛyɛ de enso ebetima to aso anapai de me koma ma pick ne sɛ ageta so wa on sɛ ewiase no bibi a wo yɛ bia no ɛsɛ o make sure sɛ o yɛ sɛ bɛ da chi bi no ɛho bɛyɛ akono anase unyansa no obe make sure say meye na mpempre ya no say entimi anso aba kra na dachi bi ebetima so aba e de ama me ensabi uhu kra etimi to nipa so ama nipa me de enso timi hye no ene kwa wa fa so a wa brand ho no etimi ma wo here eye hu asante kotoko wansam na making sise me no kasai abranche fe ne se ageto so wa nipa wo recruitment adama club fe ne asante kotoko officially asote ne se abranche we adama to asante kotoko amo transfer list ne so because transfer bi obia no eso make sure say se ene anya juma ese bin aya juma se bin anya juma ese se sinu ere enso etimi aya juma obeka se kotoko ma force no adoso ba busa won se domo de ema wono sa play we sa oti ana pe video so ma hwede fa branch fence agito so wa ho no chairman se kotoko nsakana ano beden but asatena de nipa we recruitment no unofficially what think komoda ko boy in camp say amu you ready and that guy a project I don't want Sante Kotoko it boy in start enbo ho enche amu official build gokotum o vision na fe omotuma ya ma bibia dey enso etim akokama na me happy say the CEO Edemak and as nipa vision esin na so your circle and the partnership the conversation akoso between o circle and afi nipa we recruitment no ana mama happy no omonta go papa omontam asundue ho papa but ye twese build ne beko na afi yetima hema bibia dey enso etimi akoye mewo Jimano anon latest update ewa ha. Mede baba. Na miruam ewa Kotoko medicals. Asante Kotoko ana official enra. Omu posti se omu statia omu eye place eye medicals edi ama womu. Cheno yehu Aziz Haruna Dari. Yehu Jimano Kote. Yehu Francis Akwa. Yehu Patrick Esiedu se 4 place we. Ana omu kwa medicals no ama bibia de enso ti makoso. And about 7 o'clock, and almost started medicals. About 7, and I can confirm it to say Stivo and the 4 place with a room. I was Sante Kotoko medicals one, which is confirmatory. I want a medicals in the console. They confirm the amount say. Nipa and no, this are 4 place with a room confirmatory. Stivo a part. What did the media man know? Yes, or a part. I don't mean the equity and a passave no. Ana sa jumere de estati na de tienie so sa medical na ekoso no u asante kotoko youth place na elma emanu anya wawa medical na ekoso no so se asante kotoko youth place no eka ho emanu anya wawa de me picking is so far 5 youth place ana sese amero kasai painful Emma was all part of medical assembly. And I catch us a bunch of fellows as Solomon Kokusa of Okwajunant London or returning. Maybe catch us a bunch of fellows Abdu Isaka. Maybe can was somebody troll or also a returning. After my phone to get fund now, say a bunch of fellows lost in Chairman Junior. A part Bismarck of Furry, a part. Godfrey Kodia a part so far 5 players we anasisi de kuta me ne say officially ye dey atom say medicals na Asante Kotoko eye no amso me bi na fe entimi muwa ema bibia nya de enso entimi enkoso dem picking say Lord amo eye out abante e fe say Shaibu Abubakar eye out abante e fe say Isaac abante e fe say Andrews Intimenu eye out of medicals na ekoso no this bia bibi sisa asatena mutual video report ani pan ade ama me na me de ema Lord amoa Shaibu Intimenu amo nyina eye out but I can confirm it to say abante fellow Isaac Mintah a part of Asante Kotoko plus omo medicals no that means say Isaac Mintah because yama wo ento so menya so Asante Kotoko fo mpanyfo ebe ma kwa medicals se mpanyfo ma wo ento so a menya so omo ma kwa medicals so this is the latest update aba you don't want to actually D for branch offense Isaac Mintah. Now, Harry answer trying to do answer chum. A branch offense said Baba Yaya chum. Me say a branch offense said Baba Yaya chum. Namum a branch offense said Peter do akwade obetime de astarish enso de enso etima to pitami do akwade no Asante Kotoko enye medicals no na Peter do akwa enye part of Asante Kotoko place o me medicals na ye hu pitami do akwa biye e Asante Kotoko my catch for astarish etum because ye was telling mezo and atum pay from se pitami do akwade ekwa bia mpanfa be mana fa so a obetima extend contract no edema club no on fa so but ni pan say plus o ekwa medicals no Peter Abudu akwa eye part oboa konfi me so me boa but asemo ka kire me ne say memfa astarish entum memfa astarish entum enti yebehwe sene ne mai de enso ebesi akwa yede wonsem no ede emamuto enso ewo ho haso folk eguso na ese bonus so na kofa nsempi aba amanto na mate bi kamu asemu becha that just by the way like omuguso ni boja kapo come on for so babe head coach at my club no e ada ba kwa na yan so omuguso mu edin komo abante fe ne se Jimanu Annor Jami pikini I can confirm you to say we are club na say opa branch fe say Jimanu Annor a opanyi manko modie anu djumadi a wudi so benya Jimanu Annor no emu enye den Kotoko fo kwa no makida to mo nim say amusere omunya abotere mo play bia mo pese omo tony nations bia no omo pese mo nipa enko outside anyi ya omo you ready to do business it asat now and not to Asante Kotoko openi I can confirm it to you say enough from enfama Kotoko for mpanyifo o be Kotoko for team na mo recruitment ni bia no busa omo be catch no o be Asante Kotoko recruitment team ni bia no me say omo be catch no enye easy omo twefo omo papa the real nations for afaso omo no mudin komo for Emmanuel no se se bika Emmanuel no ayoba ka bia Kotoko for ba mabu ka Asante Kotoko for ba mai de abu but yebere se de besiako that is the information about for Emmanuel no enkomo ni mo edin nations twen time a just enya sam kitore won sam no e de emam ewo